Here are some methods to fix the page isn't available at the moment. This may be because of a technical error that we're working to get fixed. Try reloading this page. Error on the Facebook app. Method 1. Check your internet connection. The most common reason for this error is a bad internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular signal. Method 2. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. To do this, long press on your device, then click on Restart. After restarting, check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, then follow the next method. Method 3. Log out of Facebook and log back in. To do this, go to the Facebook app and click on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then, click on Log Out. Once you have logged out, log back in and see if the error is still there. Method 4. Clear the app's cache and data. To do this, long press on Facebook app, click on App Info, then click on Force Stop, and then tap on Storage Cache. Then, tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. Go back, click on Permissions, then allow all needed permissions. Method 5. Update the Facebook app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. To do this, open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook. If an update is available, tap on Update. If you have tried all of these steps and the error is still there, then you may need to contact Facebook support for help. Here are some additional tips. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it and see if that fixes the problem. If you are using a proxy server, try disabling it and see if that fixes the problem. If you are using a firewall, try adding an exception for the Facebook app and see if that fixes the problem. I hope this helps. Please subscribe to TechSor.